everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to send photos on Messenger. Let's get started. Start by opening Messenger on your device. Open the chat of the person to whom you want to send the picture to. At the bottom, there are many options like text box, recorder, camera, emojis, and so on. To send them photos, tap on the gallery icon. You can see the pictures from your gallery. Select the ones that you want to send. Then tap on Send icon at the bottom. And that is how to send photos on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.